12. Seychelles giant tortoise 190 plus years old. Tortoises are famed for their longevity. The oldest living land animal is a 190-year-old Seychelles giant tortoise, Aldebrachilus gigantea hololissa, named Jonathan. The tortoise lives on the island of St. Helena in the South Atlantic Ocean after having been brought there by people from the Seychelles in 1882. 11. Red sea urchins 200 years old. Red sea urchins are small, round invertebrates covered in spines. They live in shallow coastal waters off North America from California to Alaska, where they feed on marine plants. 10. Bowhead whale. Potentially 200 plus years old. A bowhead whale breaches in waters near the Qikiqtalik region in Nunavut, northern Canada. Bowhead whales are the longest living mammals. The Arctic and subarctic whale's exact lifespan is unknown, but stone harpoon tips found in some harvested individuals prove that they comfortably live over 100 years and may live more than 200 years. 9. Rougheye rockfish 200 plus years old. A roughy rockfish, Sebaste salutianus, also known as the blackthroat rockfish or the blacktip rockfish. The roughy rockfish is one of the longest living fish, with a maximum lifespan of at least 205 years, according to the Washington Department of Fish and Wildlife. These pink or brownish fish live in the Pacific Ocean from California to Japan. They grow up to 38 inches, 97 centimeters, long and eat other animals, such as shrimp and smaller fish. 8. Freshwater pearl mussel 250 plus years old. Freshwater mussels from the Margaritifera genus. Freshwater pearl mussels are bivalves that filter particles of food from the water. They live mainly in rivers and streams and can be found in Europe and North America. The oldest known freshwater pearl mussel was 280 years old. 7. Greenland shark 272 plus years old. Greenland sharks live deep in the Arctic and North Atlantic Oceans. They can grow to be 24 feet, 7.3 meters, long and have a diet that includes a variety of other animals, including fish and marine mammals such as seals. 6. Tubeworm 300 plus years old. Tube worms are invertebrates that live on the ocean floor. Bacteria in their tubes create sugars from chemicals, which they absorb as food. 5. Ocean quahog clam 500 plus years old. Ocean quahog clams inhabit the North Atlantic Ocean. This saltwater species can live even longer than the other bivalve on this list, the freshwater pearl mussel. One ocean quahog clam found off the coast of Iceland in 2006 was 507 years old. 4. Black coral 4,000 plus years old. Corals look like colorful, underwater rocks and plants, but they are actually made up of the exoskeletons of invertebrates. 3. Glass sponge 10,000 plus years old. Sponges are made up of colonies of animals, similar to corals, and can also live for thousands of years. Glass sponges are among the longest living sponges on Earth. Members of this group are often found in the deep ocean and have skeletons that resemble glass, hence their name. 2. Turritopsis dohrnii. Potentially immortal Turritopsis dohrnii is called the immortal jellyfish because it can potentially live forever. Jellyfish start life as larvae before establishing themselves on the seafloor and transforming into polyps. These polyps then produce free-swimming medusas, or jellyfish. Mature T. dohrnii are special in that they can turn back into polyps if they are physically damaged or starving, according to the American Museum of Natural History, and then later return to their jellyfish state. The jellyfish, which are native to the Mediterranean Sea, can repeat this feat of reversing their life cycle multiple times and therefore may never die of old age under the right conditions, according to the Natural History Museum in London. 1. Hydra. Potentially immortal. Hydras can regenerate lost body parts, even their heads. Hydra is a group of small invertebrates with soft bodies that slightly resemble jellyfish and, like T. dohrnii, have the potential to live forever. These invertebrates are largely made up of stem cells, which continually regenerate through duplication or cloning, so these animals don't deteriorate as they get older. They do die under natural conditions because of threats such as predators and disease, but without these external dangers, they could keep regenerating forever. They don't seem to age, so potentially, they are immortal. Thank you for watching.